Hello and welcome to this quick Facebook Basics tutorial video. We are going to go over these 3 points: the news feed and profile, posting, and logging in and out. And then I'll talk a little bit about the desktop PC versus a notepad versus a smartphone. So first of all, for the news feed and the profile, well, what's the news feed? When you are logged into Facebook, you default to the news feed. You will see the news feed. That's where you see posts from other people and you scroll through and see what other people are posting. Okay, so what is the profile? Your profile is your information. So if you click up here on your name, you'll go to your profile page. It's also been called the wall. And then you can see all of the posts that you've done or been involved or tagged in, and you can see your photos and all kinds of things there. You can also click on the About part, and you can read and update all of your information. There's a lot of different information you can put in here. You can see your friends. You can click on the photos page and you can see videos, check-ins. There's all kinds of things you can do. But the main thing to know is that when you click on your name there, that's your profile, that's your information. You can also change your cover photo here and your profile picture. All right. Now if we go back to the news feed, you click on the home or you click on the F for Facebook. So clicking either one of those will get you back to the news feed, or it's also called the timeline, the Facebook timeline. Okay. And so the next thing we're going to talk about posting. So how do you put something on Facebook? You look for the "what's on your mind" phrase, and notice it's right here on the top of my news feed here. And all you have to do is put your cursor in there and you can start typing, and then you can also add photos, video, and so on. You can do various things here, but that's how you get something onto Facebook. Now if you go to your own profile page, if I go to my profile page by clicking my name, I can also put stuff in there. I can also post. So it's the same thing. Now this does look a little bit different here, but you can do pretty much everything you can do from the timeline. All right, so this little pop-up came up when I'm on my profile. If I go to the news feed, see, it looks a little bit different, and then this comes up and it's just formatted a little differently, but that's how you put things on to Facebook. And then when you're done typing or whatever, you just click post and then it'll go on there. Now your posts will be seen by your friends, people who you are friends with on Facebook. Okay, and they may not all see it, but a lot of them may see it. And your friends can share your post or like it or comment on it as well. All right, and then logging in and logging out. To log out, you click this little down arrow here, and you go down here and you just click log out. Okay, and then to log in, you just go to facebook.com. I'll just do that here, facebook.com, and then you type in your login, which is your email or phone, and your password, and you click login. And then you're logged right back in again. Now what I usually do is I just stay logged in all the time, and then I never have to log in or out. Okay. Now, when you're on your notepad, your iPad, or other tablet device, or when you're on a smartphone, you can also log in the same way. Or actually, you'll use an app there. You can go to a browser and log in, or you can use the Facebook app, and then you can just stay logged in there as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.